Our top 5 best gaming monitors for PS5. Number product. LG NVIDIA G-Sync monitor. LG is one of the best brands for display devices since LG is one of the major manufacturers of digital display panels. You will certainly get the best image quality on most LG monitors, including the budget options like the one mentioned here. Coming in the first position, we have one of the budget-focused options designed by LG. The LG 27GL83AB is a 27 inches wide monitor that is a perfect option for standard desk installations. Number product. ASUS UF gaming monitor. While we are discussing budget-focused options, we cannot proceed without mentioning a UF series product from ASUS. With this series, ASUS aims to provide highly compatible options within a cheaper price range. In the second place, we are putting the ASUS UF Gaming VG289Q gaming monitor. This is the cheapest option on our picks of the best gaming monitors that are suitable for a PS5. Number product. Acer Nitro Agile-Splendor IPS monitor. Coming to the premium range of monitors suitable for the PS5, we have the next option from Gigabyte. This monitor belongs to the Aorus series from Gigabyte, which is introduced for a high level of performance. In the third place, we have the Aorus Fv43u. The reason we have placed this option so far up our picks is its specifications that are suitable for its premium price range. Number product. Yard Commander Store Lawn Sweeper. Acer also has a premium range gaming monitor that can be an ideal choice to connect with the PS5. This option also features many attractive specifications that you should not miss. The Acer Nitro XV282 is certainly a worthy competitor for monitors that are suitable for a PS5, even at its premium price range. This is a desktop monitor that comes with a 28 inches wide IPS display panel. Number product. LG OLED C1 Series Alexa build. Consoles are designed for TVs, and you will get the best experience after connecting your console to a premium TV. Thus, we are including the following smart TV on our list designed by LG. If you have purchased a PS5 for couch gaming, then you need to turn your attention to our next pick, which is a smart TV made by LG. As we have mentioned before, LG is one of the major manufacturers of display panels. Thanks for watching this video.